Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Sunday Cook with me. Well, we are now in July and July is a special season, and I think a lot of you probably have heard of Christmas in July. Well, this isn't going to be Christmas in July, but it's going to be Pie July. That's right, we've made lots of good meals, but it's time to get on to the desserts. And so I have got a selection of pies to make with you that are great for the summertime, primarily because none of them have to be cooked. And also they're cool and refreshing and tasty. And the other thing that you might want to know about these pies is they're so simple, your kids can make them or your grandkids. And you can just say, can you get dessert ready? These would be great to take to your summer barbecues and cookouts or potlucks at the church. So I'm going to take you down to the counter and we're going to do today's pie. Don't blink because you'll miss it. It's that easy. I'll be right back. All right, here we are down at the counter, and here's the ingredients you're going to need. A can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Now that's not canned milk. There's a difference. Sweetened condensed milk. A container of Cool Whip, and a package of Kool-Aid. When I went to get this at the grocery store, these were 3 for $1, which would be 33 cents a piece, I guess. And I remember when I used to get them for my kids, and I don't think I got them that often, they were 10 cents a piece. So things are up everywhere. But that was a lot of years ago. My kids are in their 50s. And all you're going to do is take this can of sweetened condensed milk, add it to your bowl, and get it all. Okay. And to that, you're going to add your Kool-Aid. You can use whatever flavor you want. I think I got peanut pineapple, so it should be a coconutty pineapple flavor. Sounded pretty good. And I'm just going to put this dry powder in, if I can get it open. Okay. And we'll mix that up. And to that, we're going to add our container of Cool Whip. That has been defrosted. And what I'm going to do is kind of fold that in. Now, depending on what kind of flavor you get in your Kool-Aid, you can have some pretty colorful pies. And I'm just going to kind of fold this in. Now this is an excellent pie to make in advance because it does need to chill. So you could actually do this the day before. There we go. And I have a graham cracker crust here that I purchased, or you can make your own. And I'm just going to take this plastic out. And fill it up. This is kind of a yellowy color. Now this is a 10-inch. You probably can get away with a 9-inch, but that's okay. And that's all she wrote, guys. That's all she wrote. I'm going to put the cover on this. Now you can put this in the refrigerator. If you put it in the refrigerator, you need to have it in there for at least 4 hours. Or you can put it in the freezer. And the leftovers you can store in the freezer. If you use the freezer method, it will come out more like an ice cream pie, which is what I'm going to do. So there you go, look at that. Ready to roll. I'll be back when we're ready to cut it. It won't be a while, it'll be a while. It might not even be till tomorrow, but we'll see how good it is. Back in a bit. Okay, let's see what we got here. Now this is just out of the freezer, and I can still get the knife through. And it's where I'm going to store mine, because otherwise it will go to waste. There's only the 2 of us. Well, let's see. I don't think I got through the crust. Okay, I think I might have it now. Well, maybe I don't. Much easier to cut if it wasn't right out of the freezer, but I think it's going to come out. There we go. Nice looking, huh? Let's give it a little fancy up. I didn't want that over there. We'll put it up here. So we give it a taste. Oh dear. Wowza. Sorry, I moved the camera. The light wasn't too good there. I'll try that again. Absolutely delicious. And right out of the freezer, little piece of crust. It absolutely tastes like creamy, soft serve ice cream. I'm going to keep this in the freezer because you can cut it. So give this a try. Yummo, yummo. And like I said, this is not sugar-free friendly. But it certainly is tasty. And I added a little of the whipped cream, and I think what would be very good on this is a little bit of coconut. It has a nice flavor. The hardships I must incur to do these videos. Okay, that's it for today. Do try this. You will love it. Now, if you cannot find Kool-Aid, I don't know why you can't, but if you can't find Kool-Aid, you can use the Jell-O powder. The only problem with the Jell-O powder is it has sugar in it already, so it might be even sweeter. The Kool-Aid powder does not have sweetener in it. If you were making up Kool-Aid, you'd have to add sugar. And the sweetened condensed milk is sweet enough. You don't need anything else. So give this a try. And I'll see you Tuesday. And until Tuesday, have a great afternoon. Stay safe. Play by the rules. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell. And give me a thumbs up, a like. And we'll be back on Tuesday with a new craft. And so I'll see you then. Everybody, play nice now. Love you. Bye-bye.